Maayong adlaw kaninyo tanan. Today I'm going to be making a delicious, no-bake, super easy Filipino fried bread. So if you're interested in how to make this recipe, come along and find out. This is Binangkal. It's a sweet, crunchy bread coated with sesame seeds. The best thing about this Binangkal is how well it goes with hot drinks like coffee or even hot cocoa. So here's how to make the Binangkal. First, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. Here we have the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then we'll mix it together until combined, and then we'll set it aside. In a separate mixing bowl, we're going to mix the evaporated milk, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, egg, and sugar. Continue to stir the wet ingredients until it's fully combined. Now we're going to mix the dry and wet ingredients. We will pour the dry ingredients into our wet ingredients, then we will mix together using our KitchenAid, or we can also mix the ingredients manually then knead it until we get the consistency that we need. When we get the consistency that we need, we will shape the dough into a ball, then coat it in the sesame seeds right away to make sure the sesame seeds stick to the dough. So here's our binangkal. It's nicely coated and ready to fry. In a hot pan filled with oil, we'll fry our binangkal on medium heat so it won't burn. Fry the binangkal in batches so it doesn't become too crowded inside the pan. Fry them until they become golden brown on all sides. When it's golden brown on all sides, we'll place our binangkal in a strainer to drain the excess oil. Then place it onto a plate. Here's our delicious binangkal we made together. So if you like this recipe, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching!